This work is born of the fusion of two earlier projects. The Horizon is nothing more than a limit of our sight, commissioned by the Brooklyn Museum of Art in New York City in 1990, curated by Charlotta Kotick. And Shake Up, presented by curator Lindell Soul of CTS, Creative Thrift Shop, in conjunction with the Dan Stoltrager Gallery in 2010. Spring of Hope Garden. It's an installation in cooperation with ICAI, Institute for Cultural Activism in Delhi, New York. In revisiting this work, my thought was to shift the focus from what was seen as a future awakening to the present moment. The idea being that the calamity is upon us and we presently need the spring of hope that will help us envision this final step in addressing our problems. It is in this light that I welcome you as a witness and provocateur of the process. Your generous contribution to this project is most appreciated.